This is a short video about how I got fed up with the noise of the stock Simonini muffler on my flat top Super, and I contacted Ryan Shaw at Paradrenalin, and he shipped me a Nirvana Rodeo muffler that goes on the Simonini. And so I bolted it right to the cylinder and then made a little bracket and used these two rubber mounts to mount it to this bracket right here on the top, and then on the bottom I made another aluminum bracket and mounted it to that. And until I'm convinced that these two mounts, these three mounts rather, will hold up, I've got a backup system with a spring and a little bit of a bungee cord on the top and bottom. And then once I know that the mounts are going to hold up, I'll take those off. So I also wanted to do something about the intake noise, so I found this Gatorade container and I just covered my K&N air filter with that. And to get it to hold on there, I've got this double-sided Velcro. I've got a piece stuck there and then stuck in here. And then once I got that stuck on there, I'll use a zip tie and tie it right there to hold it. And so the next video that I'm going to show you will be of me flying, and then we'll see if everything gets quieter because of these two improvements.